didn't see you guys there. Hi. Just eating my lunch alone. But you know what? I thought I would show you guys an update on some of the little animal friends that we've made so far. Okay, take a look at them. It's so fun. The bunny is preparing the hole again. This is so exciting. We're gonna have babies. Here's our little squirrel friend. Table for one. Ooh, today's menu is sesame seeds and peanuts. I think he likes it.
A little friend right here. It rained so much today that snails have come out. And he's going really slow across the sidewalk. Snailing, snailing across the sidewalk. It's going to take him all day. But he's not in a hurry anyways. That's my snail song. Hope you like him.
He's coming to get you.
I named him Ralph.
And I met a little pig friend. See? There he is. It's Peppa's cousin, Poopa. She's fun.
So we also met a cat named Snowball. He's named Snowball because he's white. So he and Auntie Meaghan did some dancing. And maybe Auntie Meaghan and the cat can teach you some of their dance moves. Let's see.
Okay, Uncle Joe is right. I'll teach you some good dance moves. Okay, ready? The favorite one is Auntie Meaghan's favorite, this one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All you need to do is tilt your bum back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. And then you just keep going, like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Cat does it good. Okay, now this one the cat likes to do is this. Put one knee forward, other knee forward. Knee forward, knee forward. And then just keep going. Good job. And then you just dance like this. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Love you guys.